Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to do is show you how to use brand new Google Chrome extension called Coupert to apply the best coupon codes and earn cashback on a single purchase with Coupert. So you don't have to go around searching for discount codes and coupon codes, you can do it directly using the Coupert Google Chrome extension. Before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So what you need to do is find or open Google Chrome, which I've got opened up here. Do a search for Coupert like this, click on enter, and the first URL it will come up with is the URL you need. That's the extension you need, coupert.com. Click on Coupert there and it will take you to the Coupert website there, allowing you to add the extension to your browser. So you're never searching for discount codes again. Coupert appears at the checkout pages and automatically applies the best voucher codes. Before you can do that, you need to add it to Chrome, and it's 100% free for you to do this. So you click on add to Chrome, it's free here, and it will open up this page. Let me maximize this. It will come up with this page in the Google Chrome Web Store. Coupert automatic coupon finder and cashback. Click on add to Chrome here and it will come up with a pop-up box here, so you add that to the extension like this, and then it will go through the process of installing that as an extension to your Google Chrome browser. So at the moment it's saying Coupert is installed, automatic coupon finder and cashback, and we can now shop using the Coupert app to be able to find the best discounts and coupons for us. So you can either sign up to Coupert, but to enable the Coupert app, what you need to do, top right hand corner you see the extensions option here. Click on extensions. First and foremost, what I'm going to do is pin the Coupert app to the top right hand corner. So I'm going to pin it like this, so it has now, you can see the logo appeared here. If I click on the logo, has access to the site, click on it and it will tell you some information about Coupert, the bonuses you can claim, and what you can do to earn more gold there. And the buttons at the bottom, there's a home button here, there's a daily check-in button here, there's a search button where you can search lots of different sites, so eBay, there's a huge variety of sites which Coupert has got access to or can find you coupons for: ASOS, AliExpress, Iceland, Sports Direction, Holland and Barrett Curries, and there's also lots more being added day in, day out. So those are today's hot deals there. And then here you can sign up to Coupert, or so obviously the gold coins which you earn are assigned to your account there as well. So you can do that as well within Coupert. Please download it. It will save you a whole load of money in the long run, especially when times are tight at the moment, bills are rising. So this is a fantastic tool that you can use saving your money, and I'm going to show you an example of how you can save money using Coupert.com as well. So I've got a Groupon opened up here. I've got some items in my shopping cart. I'm at the stage where Coupert has found some coupons for me. So all you simply need to do from here to get the discount and the cashback, click on the apply coupons button, which I've done. It's going away, searching for all the available coupons that I can use. It's found one. I've made a savings of $22. Click on continue. Then also what you need to do is activate the cashback to get money back onto your account using Coupert, and there you have it, cashback activated. It will be shown in the account in the next few days. It's that simple. In this example, I've got black wool coat here which I want to buy. So what I do is click on add to cart, click on add to cart, then go to cart. You can see 11 coupons found, apply coupons there. It will go away, search for the best coupon for your product. There you go, I've saved $59.90 based on the coupon it's found. And once I'm happy, go to continue to checkout there, and you can see that discount has been applied and I've made a huge saving on that black wool coat using Coupert, which is a Google Chrome extension.